Dionysus is the son of Zeus and Semele. Semele was a princess of Thebes. She was the only mortal mother among the 12 Olympians, which makes her all the more special. Zeus met Semele when he disguised himself as a shepherd, and before long, they became inseparable. But the rumor reached Hera's ears in no time.
Oh no, I think he's seeing another woman.
She was furious. She wanted to tear them apart. So Hera came up with a plan. She disguised herself as Semele's old nurse and approached her as if by chance. Semele, not knowing the nurse was actually Hera, told her everything about Zeus.
I'm head over heels for Zeus. I'm even carrying his child.
Hera was furious, but she tried her best to stay calm as she spoke.
But are you really sure he is Zeus? They say he always appears as a shepherd. What if he is an imposter? Why don't you ask him to show you his true form, the one he takes on Mount Olympus?
Semele listened to her nurse's gentle words and began to think deeply. Now that she thought about it, she had never seen Zeus's true form. Poor Semele. She fell for Hera's clever trick. That night, the beautiful Semele met the mighty Zeus and asked him to grant her one small favor.
Oh, Semele, do you have a favor to ask? Of course, I will grant it. I swear by the river Styx. Tell me.
But there was a terrible problem. A promise made by the river Styx must never be broken, even by the gods. And Zeus? Oh dear. He had already made that promise.
I wish to see your true form, Lord Zeus.
When Zeus heard this, he was completely shocked. For a mere mortal, seeing a god's true form was far too dangerous. No human could survive such divine power. Poor Zeus. He knew Semele would die, but he had no choice. With tears in his eyes, he revealed his divine form. The moment Semele saw Zeus's divine light, she lost her life. But thankfully, the baby in her womb was still alive. Zeus gently took the baby and placed him in his own thigh, sewing it closed. After some time, the baby continued to grow inside Zeus. When the time was right, the child was born. This baby was none other than Dionysus, the god of wine.